Oh, see, now that I'm filming, he's not eating.
Oh, more food? More sniff? Oh, munch, munch. Yeah, you like this food. Cute little duck.
Or Sue put some in my hand.
Yeah, I can do that. Here.
If you move your hand.
If you want some more, there's some more in the box. Poor little thing. Sweetie. He was found abandoned. It was found abandoned. Want to eat some more? Want to eat some more? Oh.
Like, he makes the cutest noises.
Yeah, he does. Makes some cute noises. Yeah.
You don't like your head being touched? Okay, I won't touch your head.
You want to eat some more? Eat.
Oh.
Sometimes I wish I could have a pet duck, just like this one.
Yeah, we can't. Sorry.
Hey, duck. Doesn't work?